everybody, it's Tom again. On this episode of Bow Ties and Rice, we're gonna go out and look at JFK's boat, and we're gonna see things around Grand Lake, little odds and ends, and let's just go ahead and get right into it. And there's some cool stuff you're gonna see here. This is gonna be a cool episode, and here we go. Buddy, it's Tom here. We're at Mickey Mantle's house. Let's take a look. Gotta come up here by the front. Wow, this is pretty cool. Still here. Here's the yard and everything. Right here, we're right in the middle of commerce. Here at the Grand Lake, down by Twin Bridge. That's Twin Bridge is right in the background there. Little picture of Mr. Shop Truck. But check this out. Isn't that funny? Let's get up here closer to it, so we can get a good look at it. Crazy. I guess people don't like to use bait. But here we go. It's nice out here today. Took the truck out for a little ride. There's a Grand Lake sunset. We're going over the bridge here in Grand Lake. Your sailboat bridge. Well, that is one heck of a sunset. Okay, we're coming up on the Cherokee Queen. Here we go. It'll be right up here at the boat docks. Let's see if I can get a shot of it. It's kind of dark, but we'll see what we can get here. Alright, there's the marina docks. Alright, there she is, Cherokee Queen. Alright everybody, and that's going to be the end of this video. I thought you would like a bunch of the stuff that I seen here. It's a bunch of odd and end stuff, but the boat was really cool. That'll be it for now, and we'll catch you on the next time. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.